In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to noindex tag pages in Rank Math. If your site uses WordPress tags heavily, those tag archive pages can create thin or duplicate content in search results. Noindexing them helps clean up your index, consolidate ranking signals to your primary posts and pages, and generally keeps your SEO tidy. Start by opening your browser and going to rankmath.com. This is the official site for the Rank Math SEO plugin. If you're confirming you have the right tool, or you still need to get the plugin, this is the place to check. If the plugin is already installed on your WordPress site, you're all set to continue. Now in your WordPress dashboard, look for Rank Math SEO in the left-hand menu and click it. This takes you into the plugin's main settings area where global SEO controls live. If you're using the setup wizard or modules view, don't worry. What we need is inside the core settings panel. Next, click Titles and Meta. This section controls how your site outputs meta titles, descriptions, and the robot's meta tags that tell search engines what to do with different types of pages. Think of this as the central place for deciding which content types should be indexable. Inside Titles and Meta, find and click Tags. Tags are a taxonomy in WordPress that bundle related posts under a shared label. The page we're on controls the behavior of tag archive pages, the listing pages that show all posts with a particular tag. Here's the key change. Look for Tag Archives Robots Meta and enable the Noindex option. Turning on Noindex instructs search engines not to include tag archive pages in their search results. This does not delete the pages, and it doesn't block crawlers from discovering links on them. It simply prevents those archives from competing with your main posts and targeted landing pages. It's a common best practice on blogs and news sites where tags can quickly multiply and dilute your index. Once Noindex is enabled for tag archives, you can expect search engines to phase those pages out over time as they recrawl your site. That timeline varies, but the direction is clear. Your indexed footprint becomes more focused on high-value content. Your individual posts remain indexable, and link equity can still flow through internal links found on tag pages. That's all there is to it. By no-indexing tag pages in Rank Math, you reduce duplicate listings, improve crawl efficiency, and help your best content stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.